Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm gonna be showing you how you can easily log out of your Filmzie account. So let's go ahead and dive in straight into the video. If you're logged into your Filmzie account, first open your application and from the main home page, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right hand corner. Now, from this profile option, scroll down and tap on the Logout button in order to log out of your Filmzie account. Remember that you must remember the option that you've chosen while logging into your Filmzie account if you ever wish to log in back again next time. So that is how you can easily log out of your Filmzie account using the Filmzie application on your mobile device. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.